Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's newly wedded spouse, Miniotabo Valoe Chiwenga, has stepped into the spotlight as the chairperson of Miss Universe Zimbabwe. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. This announcement comes amidst a backdrop of transitions within the pageant scene, notably with Valoe Chiwenga seizing the position from the embattled ex-wife of Chiwenga, Marie Mubaiwa, who still holds the Miss World Zimbabwe license. Valoe Chiwenga's appointment marks a resurgence for Zimbabwe on the international pageant stage following a hiatus. Last year saw Brooke Jackson representing Zimbabwe at the Miss Universe pageant in El Salvador, signaling a return for the nation. The recent launch event for the upcoming edition of Miss Universe Zimbabwe showcased Valoe Chiwenga, who expressed admiration for Brooke's performance. In today's news, Chiwenga's new wife elbows out Marie Mubaiwa from her position. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.